So how do we make shell scripts? Okay, so let's do the classic hello world thing. I'm going to use nano, and our script is going to be called hello.sh. So whenever you make a shell script, go ahead and put the sh extension on there so you know it's a shell script. Alright, so I've already made the file, and go ahead and pause the video and type all this in, and then I'll do explanation. Okay, did you do that? Now on the first line you can see a hash bang / bin bash. Now make sure you put this on the top of every script line that you create. Now here we have a variable called year, and so we have a date plus the %sign y, and this is built into the shell, which will give us the year. Now if you put M in there, it'll give us the month. So we're going to echo the year, and remember this: when you make a variable, when you want to use the variable and echo it, you have to put a $sign in front of it. When you create it, you don't have to, but when you use it, you do. So hello world, we put quotation marks around that. But in the next one, you see we don't have to put quotation marks around everything, because these are the parameters of hello and world will work in echo, and we can put the quotation marks in the middle and give it some space. Now we have a comment here using variables. When you run the script, this comment will not print to the screen because it's a comment. Okay, now program A is a string variable. Why? Because it has quotation marks around the string. We call it a string. It's a data type, string data type. Okay, my program works. I wonder what's wrong with it. This is typical programmer attitude. There's so many mistakes and errors in running and compiling and programs that you wonder if it works the first time. You're usually shocked. Okay, program B. My program doesn't work. It's a good day, which also implies that we love to see errors and mistakes when we compile or run our programs. So let's go ahead, and now I haven't made any changes in here, so when I do Control X, it's just going to go back to the command prompt. So how do we run this file? Well, what we do is we dot / hello name of the file, press enter, and there it is. So it's 2020 hello world with the quotation marks in the middle. My program works. I wonder what's wrong with it. My program doesn't work. It's a nice day. Okay, so that was the basic shell script, hello world, and a couple other things in there, variables, a string with a string data type. Here's something else. Okay, that's kind of a little bit boring. So let's go ahead and use the same program. And what I want to let's not do that. All right, let's get out of there and make a new script. All right, let's make a new script from scratch. Okay, nano, and let's call this one readme. .sh. Remember that. Okay, now what did we do? We did a hash bang / bin bash. And what we're going to do here is we're gonna ask a question. Echo. Well, what are we gonna? Okay, let's say, does your script work? Okay, so it's gonna question us, ask us if our script works. And here's a built-in. Okay, here's a built-in process in our shell, in our bash shell. Okay, we're going to let's call this it's a program. Let's just call it program. We're going to give it uppercase because I just felt like it. Okay, so we're going to echo program. Okay, remember $sign in front of all of our variables when we echo program. Okay, so this should read it, ask us a question, and then we will see our answer when we run the program. Okay, Control X, Y, Enter. Okay, let's run our, what was the name of that? README. Let's run readme.sh. Permission denied. Oh, I'm so surprised. Okay, let's fix that. Chmod 755 readme.sh. Okay, now let's run it. Does your script work? And we type in yes, and it's going to tell us yes. Kind of a little bit boring, but at least it asked us a question and printed out our response. And that's just a quick introduction to how to make a shell script with a couple of variables in there and a read. So nothing fancy, but thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the next video. We'll do a few more fancy things, so don't worry, it'll get more complicated.